Yo, 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 yo. What's good? Who's out here? Carbo Knight, Marcin, Yash, Adam, Kenny, Hotshot, Markel, Perry Dollar to make him holla, Benny, Dips and Peaks, Robert Gallus, Danny Sivas, Pimp Daddy, what's up, motherfucker? iTrades, Desmond, Chase, Sean, Alpha Prime, QO Bill, Vinny Lee, Renee Bleh, Matty Matt, Clarence, Andy. His real name's Clarence, Jimmy G, Psychic. You know, crazy. Last gold is crazy. Micah, 60K J. I wish, bro. Maybe. I don't know about this month. Maybe next month. We'll see. Maybe this month too. Who knows? If I could just repeat what I did last month, or just somewhere, if I could just stay somewhere in between what I did in December and fucking January, somewhere in that range, I'll be fucking thrilled if I could live there. What up, Eric J? Cody, Trent Friend. It is the best fucking code. Matty Matt. Nice job. Nice job. I cut the braids. I needed a haircut. I did it this morning. I did it a little while ago. I needed to shave. I couldn't see my face anymore, and I got tired of looking at all my gray hair. Now, I mean, I still have it. It's all there, but now it's like short. All right, let me go to the screen. See what's going on here. I needed a haircut real bad. Pretty good fade, though. I still got it. Still got it. Renee from John J. Trader Joe, thanks. Konija. All right. So, Eric K. We got Eric J and Eric K in the building at the same time now. Just like old days. Crank. Hell yeah, fresh fade. So, where do I start? I'll start at Lucid. Is this my Lucid account? I basically switched places with the ones I had on Friday. I was trading I was trading with too much size. So I blew the fucking evals that I had halfway up on Friday, and then I blew the ones I replaced them with. Then I blew the ones I replaced them with, and then I have these. So it was awful. My February has started off fucking awful, very awfully, if that's a word. Look what's happening. Like, here's minis. Here's minis. Look at the spread. You got a 10 tick spread. So as soon as you get in with one mini, if you're in with one, you're down $100 as soon as you enter the fucking trade. And the candles are going up. Look, have you been watching the gold candles? They're going up. Every candle is fucking 80 to 150 to 200 ticks. And they're fucking bouncing around. So like you could be down $80 within like, not $80, you could be down 80 ticks, which is $800 per mini in like you without even blinking. So imagine doing that with 4. Whereas with micros, which is something I thought I'd never fucking find myself doing, but I have to. I have no choice. Look at the spread on micros. It's only 4 ticks, which is still pretty high. It's still pretty high. Let's see. 4 to 5? 4 to 5 ticks. Whereas on fucking minis, get the fuck out of here. Let's see. 68 to 80, 12 ticks. You're immediately down $120 as soon as you get into a trade. It's fucking insane. You can't trade. You can if you want, but you shouldn't. I'm not. I don't know. But it took me. I was reluctant to do it. So that's how Lucid went. Perry Dollar. Was there some news around 3? Yeah, I saw that. The fucking gold just fucking shot up. Eric Graham. Nick. Yeah, wait till you see what I did to my Apex accounts. Hey, what up? Wait till you see what I did to my Apex accounts. Yeah. Look at these 4. I had these up. Just so you know, every Apex PA that I blew, because there's more, I was green anywhere from $100 to $300. Well, $100 to $298. These were up $298 after the first trade, and I could have just stopped. And also keep in mind, when they were up this much, this was their peak. I was another day or two, a day away from a fucking payout on these, because these were actually on day 9. And I tried to get a little bit more, and I got fucked, and I blew them. This one is on. Hold on, let me load. Let me load that one that I just got paid on. That's this one right here, 554. Let me see where I'm at on the charts. Awful job by me. Awful fucking job. So I got paid. That's 564. Where's 554? Here it is. I got approved. I don't know if I flipped that day, but this is my second $50 day since getting paid. This is my second $50 day. I'm already over the buffer. I'm already over 3,000. What did I do on the first day? Shit. 476. So I got to grow this account divided by 0.3. I got to grow the account at least $1,590 from when I got paid. So I got to grow it from 2,100 to $3,690. Piece of cake, right? I just need $690 for another payout. How hard can it be? And 3 more days of $50 or more. This one right here, 560. This one's fucking, look at this shit. I did 1,189 on Friday, and I did 934. What's crazy is, actually, no, it's pretty spot on. Yeah, this happened quick. That's what she said. So this one I needed, what did I do on fucking Friday? Something stupid. It was like, 1189. Was that 560? 560. I did, 11, let's just say 1190. 1190 divided by 0.3. I got to grow this thing to $3,967. It's at 3,926. How hard can it be? What day am I on? Lost. Yeah, that's the one. That's the funny part about this one. This is the one I lost money on the first day. One $50 day, $250 day, $350 day, $450 day. Oh, today's my fifth $50 day. But I'm on day, what number is that? 560. I'm on day 6. So I still need 2 more days, and I still need to get at least $40 basically. I need $41 to make them. How hard can it be? $41 to make them holla. Hot Shot, MG, Felix, Micah, Alfred, what up? Stock cards and bets. Yeah, what's going on with that? What's going on with that shit? Guitar guy. What do you do? If you're on tilt right now, just chill the fuck out. Go buy yourself a cheap eval. Go buy yourself a cheap eval somewhere if you need to scratch the itch. Stop trading that account. Don't be like me. Blowing accounts that were fucking perfectly fine. So that's wealth charts. Here's the thing. And I hate to say this, but I'm just being honest. This is 4 less accounts I have to trade on wealth charts now. Now I can fucking move them, get more accounts over in Tradeovate. But it still sucks because I was right there. I was a couple $100 away from a fucking payout. I was $300 something away. So it fucking hurts. I could have at least got something from those fucking accounts. I got nothing now. And I wasted fucking 9 days trading them. Alfred Zaccoli, what up? Jack Boom. Digital Nukes, JC, what up? Investors. Yeah, gold's insane. What's happening with gold is what you're getting. Here's my Apex. What you're getting, look, you see this right here? This little pop right here. 405, 4640 to 4737. 97 points. That's 970 ticks. This right here, this used to be before gold blew through 5,000. And then the fucking banks and the fucking CME started working to help bail out the fucking banks on all their shorts on gold and silver. Before that happened, this fucking range right here, 970 ticks, that was a big day. An entire day. 23 hours of trading, that would be the range. That is just what? 10, 15? An hour and a half. That's an hour and a half. That used to be an entire fucking day. That's the problem right now with gold, so you got to be fucking careful. Investor Z. Nathaniel. Carbonite. Micah. You're on a cooldown? That's crazy. Hey, nothing wrong with sim funded. Yeah, Nick. Yeah. I try to get all my accounts down. Oh, you're banned from Lucid? Damn, Micah. You took too much money from them too fast. Oh, is that what it is? Now I'm reading. I went back far enough. That's crazy. I mean, that's what a lot of firms do. Trade day's the same way. 30 to 45 days. They don't want you to just keep milking the fucking the sim funded. They want you to trade live. All right, so here's, you see these apexes? Well, notice I passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I only blew 4 in well charts. So what does that tell you? I blew 4 more in fucking Trade Evade, didn't I? Huh? You want to see the rest of this shit? Hey! Look at this one. Look at this one. I lost. This account never got blown. This eval never blew. It went down $51,000 before it finally liquidated. I lost the entire balance of that account. Tim Morgan, what up? JC, how hard could it be? How hard could it be to get $20? D-Walk, what up? So, again, every fucking PA that I blew 8 of them. Every single one was green. So let's look at these. Where are they? PA 563. This one pissed me actually, yeah, 563. So this one right here, 563. You notice I still have 561 and 562. So these 3 were in a group together. So I put an order in, and what does it do? It only fills 563. It doesn't fill 561 and 562. I'm like, what the fuck? The group is on. The group is checked. The other 2 got rejected. I get stopped out of 561. Not for a huge loss. It was like a regular loss. So what do? I get 561 and 562 up $508. 563, because I got back in a trade. 563 was only up 120 because I think I lost like 380 or $400 or whatever it was. So what do? I try to get it to be somewhat the same as 561 and 562, and I ended up blowing it. So thanks a lot, Trade Evade. Thanks a lot, group fucking trading bullshit. Fuck you. That's why that one's gone. But it was green. 563, 564, 65, and 66. These were up $200. These were up $200. And I decided to try to get more. Like I said, every fucking candle is fucking 200 ticks at some point, especially last night. Every other candle, 150 ticks, 200 ticks. And at this point, I'm actually trading micros. I was trading micros, and it didn't matter. So then after I blew these, I didn't blow everything. 520, 520 to 525. I got up another 415 bucks. Although I was red on these too. These are the ones I got 3 payouts on. I am now 520. Let me show you. They're all the same, but I'll show you. Let me show you something. So I got paid here. Here's the third payout. I didn't get a flip day in that day, but I got a day here. That's my first day. Second day, third day. So I am on my, let's see. I'm on my third $50 day. I need 2 more $50 days, but I also need to grow the account. 453 divided by 0.3. I need to grow the account to $3,610 to make them holla. Right now, I'm almost there. They're all at $32.97. And I need two more $50 days and then 2 more flip days. How hard can it be? Maybe I could get these to a max payout. Actually, I will be able to request a max payout on these because I don't need to worry about the safety net anymore. But I don't want to leave myself with no drawdown either. But I still got to grow them another $300, right? $315 or $313. 538 is the one I just got paid on. I got my first day in since getting paid. 466. 567 is a brand new one. I'm up 676. 61 and 62 are on like day 3. I don't even know. 61 and 62. Day 3. So what are you going to do? It fucking sucks, but it is what it is. 564, 65, and 66, we're on like day 2. So it just sucks because this is a lot of fucking money, right? Thankfully, I did 46,000, 44. What did I do last month? Hold on. I think I did 44,000. 44,000. Where the fuck is it? Oh, wait, it's up here. 44,665. And just over, it was like 79,070 bucks in the last 2 months. So it's okay. We're okay. And 105,006 October 16th. And I'm closing in on more payouts. It's just fucking, this is ugly. It's very fucking ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. So, oh, and here's my trade day. I forgot to show you my trade day. Jake, what up? The Discord link, you want to hang out with the best fucking community on these prop firm streets? I'll be glad to. Here's my trade day. It's weird how this one's at 886 and these are at 897, but that's group trading for you. So I did it. I managed to fucking get these the furthest I've been able to get a trade day eval in a while. Basically since earlier last month when I was getting payouts from trade day. So I am $300, basically $310 away from having funded trade day accounts again, which is great. This is what I want. I want to have, all my Apex funded accounts if I could hold on to them. It seems like I'm having trouble doing that. I want to have 5 funded Lucids, 3 funded trade days, which is as many as you could have, and 5 funded take profit traders. That's my goal for this month. And that I'm getting payouts from all the time, every day, every other day, whatever. Just payouts are just coming in from all over the place. Like the gif of the girl who's getting hit in the face with 30 hot dogs. You know which one I'm talking about, right, chat? All right. But I want it to be payouts instead, metaphorically speaking. Jake, here it is. Yeah, it is about time. Yo, what up, Horace? Storm Horace. Eddie, Coach Eddie, what's good? What's a micro? I know, bro. Marcy, I have to. What do you want me to do? Should I trade a mini and go down $1,000 in like a split second? Because that's what's happening. Anyway, let's move on. Let's see what we can do here. We got these right here. I don't even like this fucking group name. I want to edit it. I'm gonna trash it. We're gonna give it a new name. Fib fucking tastic. There we go. Fib fucking tastic. That's how I feel today. By the way, Apex is still 90% off with the best code 0DayJ. $75 and $135 to make them holler, lifetime activation fees depending on the size of the account. That deal ends on the 4th, on Wednesday. Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern for 90% off Apex. You could get evals for as little as $19.70. And the bigger size accounts are $39.70. Take profit trade is 40% off a no activation fee. Trade days 40% off a no activation fee. 50% for new users on their first account. Lucid 40% off any size eval, any type of eval, up to 5 uses for the month of March. The good news is, because I found out the hard way, because I fucking blew my accounts that I used the 5 on, when you use those 5 up at 40% off, you can still get 30% off. So it's not like it just ends and you don't get any discount like other prop firms, like My Fund of Futures. So if you grab 5, you get the 40% off. Oh, and if you're a first-time user, you'll get an extra 10% off. You get 50% off as a first-time user of Lucid with the best fucking code, 0DayJ. It's the best fucking code. Oh, this is interesting right here. This is interesting. Come down further. Come down here, chat.
Order rejected.
What? I'm in the wrong account. Doy. Come down here. I have to, guys. I don't know what else is. I don't know what to say. Until gold goes back to fucking this right here. This right here is almost 1,000 ticks from this low to this high. This range right here used to be the entire day's range, and that was a big day. A regular day would be like 600 ticks, 500 ticks. So like until that happens, I'm not trading. Even like all these Apex evals, I would trade. You know how many of these evals, look at the balances on some of them. Look, 2,391, 2,191, 20, 2521. You know how fucking quick? And this is with like 3 minis. I was trading 3 to 5 minis. You know how many times on these blown? I went 8 for 24, so it wasn't a terrible. It was 33%, not bad. I'll take it. But I could have passed another five, like 5 or 6 of these. Hit my take profit right after I got blown out. With only 3. That's how crazy the candles were moving last night. It's fucking insane. Yeah, I'm not worried about it. Adam's Journey, what up? Oh, Carl, yeah, I mean, you'll get paid. I should have gone to Miami. I know. Everybody's getting to take pictures with Tori's tan lines. They keep posting them in the Discord. She's rocking those MC Hammer joints. Nah, Lucid is 40% off all month. 40% off any type of eval, any size. Black, Pro, Flex. Any other account, straight to funded, those are 30% off. After you use your 5, you get up to 5 uses. Here's the fucking promotion. 40% off any eval, limit 5 per trader. It goes until March 1st with the best fucking code, 0DayJ. After you use up your 5, 40% off joints, it'll be 30% off after that. That's how the promotion works. First 5 accounts, yeah, and then it's 30% off. So you still get a deal, you just don't get the 40% off. Still, it's a great deal. It's a great promotion. Casa Lisk, what up? JK. Demayoshi. The market is the market is fucking insane right now. It's absolutely insane. Joe trades. I mean, she's a profitable influencer, though. I can tell you that. You could put that in the bank. You know what I'm saying? Hey, there's something to be said about trading the tan lines. There's something to be said about them. Speaking of tan lines, let me draw a tan line right now. I could have. Well, honestly, this is the spot to put it. I could adjust it now because this is what I'm looking at, but this is really the appropriate spot. You got this right here, you got this right here, and then we broke it, kind of just hanging around. We've been hanging around that fucking tan line. When Lucid 1099? I don't know. Ask them. Probably soon. They all send them out around the same time. You know what I'm saying? Small-minded. TJP. Hot shot. Hey, she looks comfortable. That's all. She looks comfortable. Everybody wanted to make sure they got a picture with those tan lines. Logan, they messed up your 1099? Bro, I mean, dude, I mean, it doesn't, honestly, it doesn't matter. You just report what you made. But yeah, I guess when you're reporting that way. I haven't even looked. I don't even really care. Micah. Oh, they messed it. Oh, Micah, so they messed it up and then told you? So they know they messed it up. I think Matt, I think foreigners get 1098s. I think you get a 1098. That's the international independent contractors tax. Logan. Oh, are you protesting your you boycotting your taxes? Just take that money and invest it in a learning center. What is it? What is it? International 1099. What is it? What do they call that? Oh, it's the W8. My bad. W8BEN. That's the international shit. W8BEN. I was close. There was an 8 in there somewhere, right? Yeah, I don't know. I don't even care. I'm not an accountant. Hit up Take Profit Trader and ask them. You know what I'm saying? You might be right. You probably are. Yeah, I don't know. Fuck that is right. Anthony, what up? Carlos. Alfred. Is this not going to come down here? You fucking serious? So I'm being conservative about where my low is, and look where it bounced. If I kept it here, it bounced off the 707. Actually, and then retested. If I kept it here, it bounced off the 786, then retested the 707. I'm just getting filled by whatever. Fast Track was a Somali prop firm. Hot shot. Yeah. It's not evasion, it's avoidance. Is that the same? Are you fucking kidding me? I wish. But like even this, you see this little gap here before all this fucking crazy acceleration of these candles and all that shit, the way this is moving, this little gap between here and my order would have been like 5 to 10 ticks. It's fucking 30 something ticks. Sean, what up? Yeah, it's fucking crazy. This is all crazy right now, chat. I did go long gold. PAX, PAX G is gold on crypto? This is what I'm looking at here. I didn't go in with a lot, but I think I was up like 200. It went up as high as 48.40. At that point, I have my take profit at 5,000, but at that 48.40, at that point I was up $250. Oh well. Anyway. I need more coffee. Chris Long, I don't think so, bro. If there's a cap on how much you could deduct, then there should be a cap on how much that you have to report as earnings. Kevin, is Lucid trading any good? Lucid's fucking great. Sebastian, what up? Lucid's fucking great, bro. You want to see how good they are? Let's see if am I still logged in. I want to show you how much I like them. I got 5 accounts with them right now. Look, I started trading them in October. I've been very active with them. If you're in the States, you'll get your money in as little as 5 minutes. Anytime I request a payout, I get approved instantly, and then within like a minute, and then the money hits my bank 5 minutes later. It's fucking crazy. And they got really good plans. And if since you've never had an account with them, it seems like, right? If you're asking if they're any good, your first account will be 50% off. Miss K, what up? Nah, they don't do daily payouts, Donnie. They don't do daily payouts. You could get 5 accounts, though, and stagger them so it feels like daily payouts. Fuck yeah, Sean. No joke, Kevin. No, I'm not even exaggerating. It might be a little longer if you use a credit union. I mean, I use my, I got a regular bank. Like, literally, I'm not fucking joking. Money was in the bank. On all these payouts, money was in the bank 5 minutes later. Dildzik. What do I Trader J? I personally like the flexes. I like the flexes. I've been trading the flexes since, I guess, December. Basically, as soon as they introduced them, because I like them. They're a lot like Top Step XFAs. They're almost identical. No daily loss limit, no consistency rule on funded. There is a consistency rule, a loose 50% on evals. Every 5 days you could get paid. You just need to get 5 days of, depending on the size of the account. I trade the 50Ks. The 50Ks are 5 days of $150 or more. How hard can it be? I think those are the best accounts that they offer. Like, look at this look at this bounce. You see this bounce right here? It doesn't look like anything, right? This looks like nothing, but watch. I'll show you. It's fucking 729. It was 280 ticks or 270 ticks. It's fucking crazy. Big tick. Yeah, see, all right, so look at that. He's got a flex, a 25K funded flex. He's up 1,600 on day one. He pushed it, which you could do with those. And now he just needs 4 more $100 days. The 25Ks are $100 a day. I think the 150s are $250 a day, 5 $250 days, and the 100s are 5 $200 days, some shit like that. Oh, we're at the VWAP. Is this the VWAP? We're back at the VWAP. Fuck. So we're almost at the 707 from this high and this low. Is it going to want to go here? I don't know. Yeah, let's see. I'm scared. I'm going to put it at the 786. I'm fucking scared to trade this shit. Look at this candle. This is the problem right now. This candle, 9:15. This right here, this little green candle, it doesn't look like this massive thing, is 150 ticks. Do I like Take Profit or Lucid more? I like them both the same, but for different reasons. I Take Profit Trader, you could get paid every single day. Oh, am I gonna regret not keeping the order there? Maybe not. Oh, here's the tan line.
Order filled.
What the fuck? That was loud. I am in micros and I don't care. This shit is fucking crazy. Look how much it just dropped. It just dropped 30 ticks. So if I was in 6 minis playing half a smash and I got filled, I could have fucking been down like, I don't even know. What's the fucking spread? Instantly, I would have been down 400 bucks, 450 bucks. Look at the spread. 12 ticks on minis. 12 fucking ticks on minis is a spread right now. Well, there's the tan line. Is it going to hold? Maybe, maybe not. It didn't hold. It didn't hold here. Blew right through it. I don't know. We'll see. But look, even that, I was just down 40 ticks. If I was playing half a smash, actually I would have got it already, but that's besides the point. I have to do this. I wish I would have gotten filled there. That would have been cool. That would have been cool to get filled there. I'm still figuring out the optimal size for me. But whatever. Jose Carlos. It just rejected off the 707. Maybe it is long, but right now it's fucking pulling back. Look at this fucking move. 168. It just dropped over 100 ticks. Keep going. Don't take me out here. Go lower. Is it going to come back here and then go lower? Watch. I'm going to get taken out here and then it's going to drop. I wish I was in more, but what am I going to do? I was down. It was down 40 ticks. If I was doing my regular size, the accounts would have blown. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm trying to figure out the happy medium with the way the shit's moving now. But I'll take this. I need more coffee.
Stop filled.
Did you see that? Did you see how it took me out of that? Oh, you fucking kidding me? You fucking piece of shit. It just went down. It went down another 90 ticks. Look how much we just dropped in 3 minutes. Not even 3 minutes. 165, 250 ticks. See, if I was in 1 mini, I think it would have been okay. 1 mini would have been okay. See, this is where I got to figure out the right size. What up, Za? Got to use those tan lines. What up, Isaac? I trade. Canute. What does that mean? He blew a lot of accounts? I mean, the month literally just started. Give me a chance, bro. Or are you saying because he's doing so bad, I'm as good as him now? I'm not trying to be better than anybody. That's the thing. Like, look at this, bro. It literally, look at where it took me out. I'm just trying to be fucking a better version of
Order
myself.
filled.
Here we go. Look how much it dropped from there. I'm just trying to be the best version of myself. $9.92. It dropped 130 more ticks. The VWAP. It's like it wasn't even there. You know what's interesting? Oh, you fuck. Sean, what up? Just ain't right. Nah, they don't care. Just do something close to it. Rebby. It really is. It really is, Rebby. Tory trades tan lines. You were looking for me in Miami. Of course I got taken out here and it's down fucking 200 more ticks. Almost. You saw Nutty instead? Yeah, they're all there. Oh my God, did I just not get filled on that? Look how close it was. 8 ticks is really fucking close. I need more coffee. I trade. Up 4K in 2 days, I might lose it. How can it be? How hard? Just trade. Yo, just, oh my God. I wish I got filled down there. Just trade. Look for the same setups. You know what I'm saying? I trade. Don't look for a setup that you could only get about $150 from it. You know what I mean? You should be all right. But you already know that. Uh-oh. Happy little bounce. Almost at the 786. It's a 618 on the larger fucking fib. The larger time frame. Oh, he made 100K? I'm not even close to him, bro. He's, first of all, it was 44K. I'm not even, you know, I'm not even in the same stratosphere as him. But that's fine. It's the best I've ever done. It's more than a lot of other people, especially the ones that never show their accounts on their streams. Miss Goody. My bad, Canute. But if you would say like I'm off, like this month I'm off to, awful start. Yeah, it's all relative. Everybody, there's levels to this shit. If I get, by the time I get to, I wanted to go get coffee when I'm like watching this trade. By the time if you know, when the time comes when I get to 100K in payouts, by the time I do that, he'll be at a different level. You know what I mean? I wish I got filled in more. All right, I guess I should start trailing this shit. That's the best part about this whole game. I mean, it's you versus you. If you want to use other people as like a measuring stick, that's fine too, to see, you know, to compare yourself. But really, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter all that much. look, as I'm like ready to let go of it here, and it's gonna fucking come take me out. Keep pushing. Watch, it's gonna find me. Watch this. Watch it take me out because I let go. Just push higher, please, Granny. Such fucking bullshit. Look. Can't make this shit up. It doesn't matter where I put this fucking thing. I don't want...
Stop filled.
It doesn't... Now it's going to pop. It doesn't matter where I put it. So fucking annoying. Yeah, it's me versus me. It's you versus you. What up, Marvel? V33. Coffee Buff. Razor. What changed me to get payouts? I've been getting payouts. I've literally got payouts for fucking a year and a half straight every month. But what happened for me? What changed between me getting what I was doing and what I'm doing now? I stopped trading the NQ. And I started trading the fibs and only waiting for the fibs to play out. Oh, look. You fucking look, it won't again. You fucking piece of shit. Fucking piece of shit.
Order filled.
Is it gonna drop? Am I getting faked out here? Yeah, look, you fucking bitch. The fuck up there. I stopped fucking trading. I literally only wait for one thing and one thing only. I practice one kick 10,000 times. Like Bruce Lee said. And I also had a really rough September where all I got was $2,000 in payouts when I had 20 Apex PAs that I blew. Basically, I blew 19 of them, 10 in one day and 9 in another day. 10 of them were like right in pay. Oh, shit. We're in payout land. That sucks. Right now, well, I was trading my mini. I was trading GC, but go back up there. Yo, GC is moving like the NQ. Come on. Oh, my God. That shit just popped. Almost 200 ticks. I got none of it. Is it going to drop now? Hopefully it fills this wick. I've been trading minis with gold until literally, unless I was like trying to get a flip day in. What up, Bob, for now? Now I'm trading micros because you got this move right here. 730. Wait, what? What the fuck? I can't believe that came all the way back. Well, I can. You got moves that are happening in an hour and a half that used to happen in an entire day. And the spread on minis is, how many ticks is the spread on minis? Look, let's see. 886, 898. 12 ticks. The spread on micros is like 3 to 5. Oh, wow. The spread on micros just fucking increased too. The spread on micros is a lot smaller than the spread on minis. But right now, what the fuck was that all about? Look where it rejected too. Watch this. 707. Shocker. I can't believe that just fucking happened. What was I have like $400 in that fucking trade? Murder bot on gold. What's NQ doing? I haven't even looked at the NQ today. Here's the NQ. Shit popped. That shit popped. Anyway, back to this shit. Fill that fucking wick, biatch. Bowser. Yeah. Bro, what do you want me to do, man? Look what just happened. Look what just happened. I would have gotten killed. Especially if it was intraday trailing, I would have gotten murdered. Am I going to lock any of this in? What are we doing here? I know what's going to happen. I'm going to leave this here somewhere. It's going to hit it and then pop, go up 500 ticks. fucking gross. Shit is fucking annoying. Yeah, dude. Yeah, because you get in with 1 mini and you're instantly down fucking $100-something. And then you have look at these candles, like this candle right here. 996. That's 100 ticks. You get in on a candle and it goes against you the wrong way, you're down $1,000 instantly with 1 mini. Look at this. I had this. What a joke. Yeah, Bob for now. I mean, it's fucking crazy. It's crazy. Jay Stores, what up? Marcos. Yeah. Yeah, I bet. Because they're fucking manipulating the fuck out of it. Because because it fucking exploded. Alfred. Yo, and then it came, look, I'm fucking red in the trade after all of that. And I'm about to add.
Order filled.
Here we go. It's going to keep dropping. Watch it keep dropping here. Look, see? This shit is, look at this move. Like, look. It's 079. We just dropped 300 ticks from this wick. Oh, now I'm red on the day. Awesome.
Order filled.
I'm in half a mini now. So much for fucking being up $400. I was probably up like
order filled.
Uh-oh. Now watch how much I get fucked here. Unless it bounces on. If this 786 holds here, we'll be okay. But I don't think it's going to. I'm getting fucking my shit pushed in right now. What am I in? 7? This shit is fucking crazy. Push that shit up. Look at this move. 706, 373 ticks in 1, 2, 3, 4, in 6 minutes. Is it not going to fucking push for me? But the issue, like with me trading micros, is I get frustrated, and I'm like, I want to trade minis so bad right now, and I just know I can't. I really shouldn't. This shit is fucking crazy. Rick Triss, what up? Head and Shoulders, Roberto Baca. I'm trading gold. Cajun. Oh, that fucking scene was so good. Such a good scene. Jack Boom. You can do it. Yeah, I could do it. I could get my shit pushed in. Here we go. It doesn't want to fucking push. Amazing. Oh, boy. Thank God this isn't intraday trailing.
Order filled.
Oh boy. How hard can it be? I had to expand the fib. Let's see if this is a good spot. This is 707 from this high and this low. This low to this high, basically. Let's see if it holds. I don't know. If I was trading the way I know it with my regular size, this account would have, all 5 of these accounts would have been cooked by now. They still might end up getting cooked. It just doesn't want to bounce. It couldn't get over this level before. Come on, Granny. Do I even need that much? I don't even know. I don't need that much. Give me that much. I'm putting my stop at break even. Watch it come back and take me out. My trailing stop is barely above break even. If anything, I won't lose any money. Come on, push it, motherfucker. Oh, I don't think I need that much. Oh, it's not going to matter. I'm going to get taken out. I don't know where the right spot is, too. I got to redo the math. I'm going to get taken out anyway. It doesn't matter. I'm going to get taken out, and it's going to fucking bounce.
Stop filled.
Fucking piece of shit. Every fucking time. It doesn't matter where I put it. It finds it. Amazing. All that for that. How much did I have? Can't wait for my take profit to get hit. 832. And it went up to fucking 904. I had another $560. I was up as much as 1,200. Fucking bullshit. Do I think the My Funded Futures core is better than their new flex? I don't know. Olivier, the core is like their intro. It's cheaper. You just need 5 days of what? $100 or more? I don't know. It's probably the easiest one to get paid on. Like, this shit's gonna fucking pop now. I know it. I fucking know it. Because I'm not in anymore. Let's see if it retests. I got order. I'm gonna put orders down here. Imagine it comes down this far. That would be amazing. All right. Yeah, I still think the core is like their easiest and quickest path to a payout. Maybe not the quickest, but the easiest. You need 5 days of $100 or more. The flex is, I don't know. Everybody's got a flex account now. Isn't that funny? I need more coffee. That coffee was cold as shit. Zach. Oh, PLTR had earnings today? So does that mean NQ's fucking moving around? Oh, yeah, look. NQ just popped. Calvin, what up? Roberto. AS, what's good? What's with the NQ? I don't know. I barely look at the NQ. We got earnings, then that's the biggest thing. You got earnings. Elevated Life, what's up? JP, Clinvale, we're not green everywhere. Not even close. DS, Maximus. What's going to dump? The NQ? Sucks. It sucks for anyone going to be in long. I think this is gonna fucking pop. But I hope it comes back and fills me. That'd be cool. I had $1,200. I just needed it to go up a little bit more. Couldn't it just go up a little bit more? Where was my take profit on that? 949. So it was 43 ticks away from my take profit, which is nothing the way this shit's been moving. I need more coffee. You made that $20 finally? DS, if you reverse it with your credit card company, you'll get banned from Apex. If you charge back any prop firm, you will be banned from that firm. You got to remember to cancel your subscriptions. I was doing it last night. You got to remember, man. Especially with Apex. You could ask Apex if there's anything they'll do for you, but you agreed. You agreed when you created your account. That's the problem. You guys got to remember to go in and cancel those subscriptions on the blown evals. Because they're only 90 right now. It's 90% off, but it's only 90% off for the first month, even when they do 80%. Oh, they already banned you, so then, then that's you. That's up to you, man. But look, look. Watch it hit my take profit. My take profit was right here. I already fucking know. See what happened? It found my fucking stop, and now it's high again. So fucking annoying. It's the most annoyingest shit ever. The annoyingest. All right, let's get more coffee. Scooby. Yeah, I get it, bro, but I can't tell him to do that. Here comes my take profit. Here comes my $1,500 a day. Of course, because I'm not in anymore. Oh, hey, Jordan. Here comes my take profit. You ready? We all know it's going to get hit because I'm not in anymore. At least I know. Almost there. Look at this fucking bullshit. Unbelievable. Here it comes. I mean, even at that point, what did I get taken out? 832. No. Was it 832? 940. So 108. 108 times 8. 864. Oh yeah, I'd be at 1,500 right now. I would have been at 1,500. Right at that spot. Didn't even need that much. Oh, well, there it is anyway. What did I say? Oh, interesting. That's the 707 from this high and this low. Now, from that,
Order filled.
oh shit. Anyway. How hard can it be to just hold a trade till I get my 1500? I'll be right back. I gotta pee. Uh-oh. All I had to do was just hold the other trade, right? Or get back in. Is the VWAP going to hold?
Order filled.
Uh-oh. All I had to do was hold. Here was my other take profit right here. This was my take profit from that other trade I was in. I didn't even need that much. That's the crazy part. I didn't need that much. I only needed like this. But it wouldn't have mattered anyway because I was already out. I was out down here. Look how much it ran up from there. Look at this low. From 772, 300 ticks. Nice, Carlos. What up, Mallow? What's good, man? Amon, 10 times as many minis. If you could trade, what up, DAAA? If you could trade 10 minis, you could trade 100 micros. What am I in? 24? Here we go. I'm going to start trailing. Can't wait to get taken out. So the 786 held from this high and this low. Look at that, right off of the 786 and the VWAP. You had some nice confluence there. But I always have it, look, when it's, especially with micros, the 707 is still a great spot. All right, come on, push lower. Push lower. You fucking piece of shit. Look, I'm literally about to fucking lock it in. About to just fucking drop it here, and it fucking comes back up. God, it's so annoying. Lower. Four. 929, 800. No, I'm going to get taken out now. Look, it's going to look, watch this. Watch it fucking wake up. Dude, every fucking time. 800. Actually, I don't need 800. 811. Let's see if it comes down here. Come on, push lower. Please. It literally knows. Watch, it's going to take me out there and then fucking drop. God, it's so fucking annoying. Give it a chance. Don't worry. Give it a chance.
Stop filled.
What did I fucking say? Every fucking time. Look. It's like they watch me, but they're not. But it feels that way. Clearly, I'm putting my fucking trailing stops in the wrong place. Because every fucking time this happens. Now it's going to drop lower. Every fucking time. Fucking bullshit. Every fucking time. Every fucking, like, here. It doesn't matter. Look, now it's going to go lower. Here comes my take profit again. You know how fucking annoying that is? God. Every fucking time. How many more ticks did it go down? 60 more ticks. No, I'm not full. Nah, Joe, I don't fuck around like that anymore. What up, Cube? Nah, if you trade 10, the scaling rule, if you traded 51 AMON, you would have been in trouble. It's half. Look at this shit. Every fucking time when I call it, every fucking time. Labia, what up? Alejandro. Yeah, bro. Look at that shit. It fucking knows. I need to just be a little bit more fuck. It did it. You know what? If I had it up here, it would have came up here. GCTA, what up? But look, I mean, fuck. Where was my take profit? Well, let's see how much. What was I in? 4? 960. It just came down to 853. 107. 428. I would have been up 1,380 bucks. Don't worry, my take profit's gonna come. It was somewhere around here. Roberto, yeah. Blackout News Network. It still went up. Oh, this little pop here. Do not come. Look, it went down 835. I was in at 960, 835, 125 times 4, 500. I mean, I would have been right there. Felix, gold is the shit. Look at his bounce. That's 100 ticks right there. Oh yeah, it's Felix. It's fucking amazing.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, I trade. It was a chop fest in the fucking range, in like a fucking, like 150 point range though.
Order filled.
Oh, what a pop! This might be the spot right here. I think I had that before. Didn't care that the VWAP was there. But seriously, all I had to do was just hold this trade, or this trade, and I'd have my $1,500 day. Marco, what up? Riz Lord. JK. Oh, dude. Bro. It's fucking crazy right now. Look at this move. How many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minutes at 420 after 420. 6 minutes, it went from 837 to 160 ticks. Sacco, what up? Yeah, this is a totally different animal, Roberto. Yeah, fuck. I guess I had a chance to get out here. Let's see if it holds here. Christine, what up? Destiny. Damn, we've had more people on. This is like the most I've had on a stream in a long time. Thanks, guys. We hit 243 people. 243 what the fuck is it called? Concurrence. I haven't been at 243 in a while. Thanks, chat. What was the title for my video? Oh, because I said I tilted. If I said I'm having the best day I've ever had in my life as a trader, no one would be here. Except for,
Order filled.
Oh my God, the regulars. Uh-oh. Look at this shit pump. Oh, boy. Yo, what the fuck? Did you see the way that dropped? The shit just dropped. Look at the way these things are popping up and down. 80 ticks at a time in those weird fucking little, the way those see the way the candle moved? It was 80 ticks. If you're in a mini, if you're trading one mini, you just got fucked, depending on which way you were going. Or like if you were trading one mini in a 50K Apex PA, you would have violated the fucking 30% drawdown rule right there on that shit, on that fucking weird shit that just happened. That's what I'm talking about. It's fucking scary.
Order filled.
Oh, we fucking did it, Joe. There's your $1,500 day, motherfucker. Thank you. Come again. Yeah, I don't know why, Craig. I don't know why it's like that. Am I logged into another instance of this shit? No. Hey, yo. I know. I gotta lose some. I got time. You guys want to know this? You guys know the secret to losing some, though? I got to lose 122. You guys know about ZB? Watch this. I'm going to drop down from 1622 to like 1510.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, you see that? You see, guys? I trade savvy. Christopher B. Your wife passed her first 150K combine? Nice. Tell her I said congratulations. Tell her I said the first of many. Yo, Eric, they're all in the Epstein files. They're all in there. We're not allowed to talk about that. They're all in it. They all have been there. They all wanted to hang out with the top dogs. Everybody's in that shit. They're all sick fucks. At least most of them. Every single one of them. And it's hard to be like, well, I'm not going to use their products. Like, You know, I'm boycotting that. You might as well boycott everything. Don't buy anything ever again because they were all fucking there. Yo, Roberto, you seen that shit? Yo, that's weird, right? Weird how this guy came out of nowhere and all of a sudden he's the fucking mayor of New York City. Oh, did she really? That's awesome. Now you know you could do it. If you did it once, you could do it again. I got to lose $13 to make them holla. Let's do it with micros.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, good enough. All right, let's do it with a mini. Let's do it with a mini of fucking a micro of the NQ.
Order filled.
Perfect. How hard can it be? I can't talk about it. Roberto, I can't talk about it on the stream. I finally hit 240. What did we hit today? 243 people on at the same time. I can't talk about it. I'll talk about it all you want in the Discord, though. You guys are not in the Discord hanging out with the best fucking community. Let's just say it rhymes with grossad. You know what he called everybody who wasn't like him? He called us all fucking goyim. That's how they feel about it. That's how they all feel about us. Anyway, I can't say that. I can't say any more, chat. There's the Discord link. You can't turn up my voice because I don't know why it's so loud. I don't know why it's loud. It's not even up that high. Don't worry. There won't be any orders for a little while. Maybe. Just ain't right. Can't talk about it. Andre. Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate you for using the best code and for popping on just to say what's up. It just happens to have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm streets. I don't have any actual data to confirm that other than the DGen data in the chat and in the Discord. But that, you see how that shit, that was a nice drop. Look at that. I got filled right here. I top ticked that when I added. It went 121 down to, it just dropped 200 ticks in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. And look at this. This is like 100 ticks. This one candle. 940, almost. 80 ticks. What? It's crazy. Brandy Allen. But yo, I don't even know how to say your name. Skills too sick. I don't know why. I don't know why it's so loud. Big Tig. Yeah, I don't know why. I noticed that even before I was streaming. It's like, can I change the volume? Application settings. Oh, fuck. I didn't change anything on my end. It's never usually that loud. Nice, John. Nice. John, if you really want to, hold on, guys. I gotta log back in. I gotta hide my screen. You get to look at my fresh face. Look, damn, look. Man, if the internet ever goes away, come see me for a haircut. I'll lace you guys up. I'll give you guys a GLF. I gave myself a GLF. 1 sec. I don't know if there's like a volume setting inside of Tradeovate. I don't know why it's so loud. I didn't change anything on my end. Let's see. Preferences. Advanced configurations.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Is that loud? Wicka wicka wick. There's no. Oh, I could change it. Oh shit. Eddie, yeah. Is that Tiger? Yo, if it's loud for me, wait till you're on his stream. You could only mute it. You could only mute it. It doesn't like have a volume dial. Well, we're gonna leave that. What's halting? Brandy. I don't know. I might not have been trading. Monster Squad, what up? Oh, you know what I tried to do? I don't know if I did it wrong or something. I tried to use Onyx for Bullinox. I tried to do it and it wouldn't work. I tried. I really don't want to have to pay for something. What's the cheapest Mac? How much is Motive Wave? Pricing. Can I use this one? One-time payment. I tried to trade Bullinox with Onyx. I downloaded Rhythmic Trader Pro on my daughter's gaming PC. I signed the agreements, and then I tried to log in. And it wouldn't let me. Let's try this. You're supposed to choose paper trading. Watch. Let's see if it works. Watch what happens. Oh, is it actually? No, look, see? I was looking forward to fucking around with this and trading on my Bullinox accounts. I can't. This is what Bullinox says to do. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Oh, I have to be logged in? I have to be logged into Rhythmic Trader Pro as well? And then use Onyx? Really? Steve, what up? Anthony, Scooby. All right, let me try that. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. BRB. Let me get back on the charts. Yeah, that's the problem. The only way I can trade on Bullinox now is doing this fucking finagling with Rhythmic. I don't know what else to do. I like trading with Bullinox. I know when I get my 10 days in, they're going to pay me. I'll be right back. Hang out. I'll just bring you guys with me. Get to see my daughter's messy room. Actually, I don't want you to see her messy room. All right. Let me open up Chrome. I gotta get my fucking you hear that sound? I hate that sound. PCs are so gross, man. All right. What? Where's this shit? Oh, I got to do it down here too. That's the other weird thing. I got to log into both. It's fucking stupid. It's stupid. I got kicked off. It didn't let me log in. Oh wait, no, I'm in. That's weird. Does this look right? Hold on a sec. Can you tell me if this looks right? That looks right? I'm logged in. Let me know in the chat. Thanks, chat. You guys would know. I have no idea. I'm so glad you guys got to hear that. Does that look right? Okay. All right. Now let's go to fucking Onyx. It's time to get live like a wire. It just does the same. It just does Maximus. It just does the same shit. It's the same thing is happening. This Onyx shit is bullshit. It ain't working. Look. It says something in the corner here about a session. Session expired or session timeout or something. What am I listening to? That was my daughter just belting out my dog's name in tune for no reason. Stevie J. Well, no, Bolinox, this is how Bolinox tells you to do it. This is how they tell you to do it. Download Rhythmic Trader Pro. Did that. Open it. Did all that. System. Rhythmic Paper Trading. Gateway. Chicago. I agree. I did all that shit. So the only other thing I could do was just buy a fucking PC, and I don't want to. I don't want to trade on some piece of shit fucking PC laptop. Try Tokyo? It shouldn't matter. Because I got logged into the Rhythmic Trader Pro with Chicago, no problem. Yeah, this is fucking bullshit. All this to trade on a prop firm. This is, and I like Bolinox. I recommend Bolinox. But now I can't fucking trade on it until I figure this out. I cannot trade on Bolinox right now as we speak until I figure this out. Can use NinjaTrader. Oh, NinjaTrader has some fucking mobile version, but I got to pay like $60 a fucking month for it. Fuck that. Fuck that. Oh, look at this, giving it up. Firebirds. JP. Yeah, who wants to fucking do that shit? You've used what? Onyx? On Isaac, I can't do it. It's not working for me. Yeah, I can't use any of that shit. If I want to trade with Bolinox, I have to use, I'm on a Mac, bro. That's the problem. And I'm not running parallels. I refuse to run parallels. Or VMware. Quantower, I don't think Quantower offers it on Mac. Yeah, I have to use virtual software like Parallels. The only other thing I could do is like remote desktop shit. And again, it's like I just don't want to be bothered. Why? I'll just go get TradeEvade accounts anywhere else. It's fucking annoying. It's fucking annoying. Damn, what a drop. Looks like well, no. If you treated this as the high, you got the 786 right there. iTrade, what's going on here? This is all day, every day. The market's going to close in 9 minutes, and we just dropped 400 ticks in like 20. Yeah, Moto Team. I mean, I can't trade on Rhythmic. What am I supposed to do? What are we looking at here? 151 messages in the last 50 minutes. It's weird how it says 151 plus. Trading things. This works? This works right here? It's free for now. Look at this fucking scumbag. This is the CEO of Funding Ticks saying how he doesn't even like his own fucking prop firm that is now shut down. What a scumbag. Anyway. Anyway. I was trading GC, but go back up there. Yo, GC is moving like the NQ. Come on. Oh my God. I was trading GC, but go back up there. Jonathan Trentwell. JP. All right, JP, I'm going to check it out. Thank you, man. Oh, Shane. You can copy trade from TradeSyncer, from TradeEvade. Yeah, I don't want to pay for TradeSyncer either, bro. Fuck that. Let's see how much TradeSyncer is. Shit's fucking not cheap. Pricing. Blah, blah, blah. Pricing. For $50 a month, I could trade my Bolanos accounts on fucking with Rhythmic on TradeSyncer for $50 a month. Or I could pay $360 for a year. Fuck that. I'm good on that. I don't know. I'm paying, first of all, it's $148 to activate a funded Bolanos account. And on every other firm I trade, I don't have to fucking pay anything other than for the accounts. I don't want to fucking have to pay extra. Maybe MotiveWave's the only one. I wonder if I could use this free one. Or the monthly is $24 a month. I'll at least try it. Maybe I'll try it for $24 a month. I don't even know if I could use this. Does MotiveWave work for Rhythmic connections? Let's see. Brokers. Gateway connectors. Rhythmic. For direct access, data only email. I have to email Rhythmic? What? No. I don't have to email for direct access. I don't get it. This is just too confusing for me. I'm sorry. My brain is working way too hard for this. You use Pro MotiveWave? ATAS X works on Mac and PC, but in beta. You need to have a lifetime license for the normal ATAS. Yeah, again, I gotta buy some shit. Do I have funded accounts with them right now? No, but I would like to have funded accounts with them. Thank God I don't. I blew my last one right before Project X fucking went away. I blame that fucking jerk-off Paytech for this shit. But how annoying? How fucking annoying is that? Yeah. $99 a month write-off. I'd rather it's not even about that. Like, I don't need to fucking pay for it. I could just trade elsewhere. But I want to trade with Bolanos. I just don't know if it's worth $100 extra per month just so I can. It's stupid. I don't have to pay extra for Apex. I don't have to pay extra for Take Profit Trader. I don't have to pay extra for fucking Trade Day. I don't have to pay extra for fucking Lucid. If I wanted to get back some more accounts with my fund the futures, I wouldn't have to pay extra for that either. But on Bolinas, I got to pay to trade on the one that's probably the hardest to get a payout, even though I trade them really well. It's not worth it. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I'm on a Mac. I'm on an M1. I'm not. I've had parallels. What did I have? I had VMware running on a MacBook Pro back in the day, and one day it just stopped working. And it was because of that shitty fucking Microsoft, all the Microsoft dog shit on there. Jack, boom. Yeah, I'm looking at. I might just do that. I might grab like some fucking shitty fucking HP fucking laptop. Yeah, Moto. Yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm sure the M1 could handle it. I just refuse to put fucking that shit on my computer. I've already done it. It worked great for a while until the computer just stopped working altogether. I'm never doing that again. He was impressed by well charts. He hasn't traded on it yet. And I say that with the utmost of respect. I trade. They already did. And the worst part right now is like I had rebills that came through. And I can't trade. Yeah, Bowser. I don't know. I like them though. I'm very profitable with them too. It's the only firm I was able to get 4 payouts from the same accounts with. Yeah, I mean, I've given so much feedback on that. It's just very frustrating to use. It's very frustrating to trade on. He'll see. Monster Squad, you can only trade on Rhythmic. If you trade on a PC, it's not an issue. If you're like me and you trade on a Mac, it's an issue. I refuse to fucking pay for a fucking third-party service just so I could trade with them. The only one I might do is Motorwave because it's only $17. No, $24. And if it's good, like if I like doing it, I could pay for the year. I just don't know if standard I have to buy Pro. I don't even know which one I have to buy. Which one do you have to buy? What's the minimum size? What's the minimum fucking multiple broker connections? Strategy, bat harmonic, and study, custom instruments, custom lat. None of this shit matters. I could use this free. I don't know. I'm going to try this shit out. Hosea. I mean, what up, Benny? On Rhythmic Trader Pro directly? I logged in on my desktop. It's a fucking piece of shit. I couldn't even see a chart. All I saw was Apple. I couldn't even find gold. It was the dumbest. It's fucking stupid. It's stupid. It's not worth the aggravation. I can't use NinjaTrader on a Mac. This was always the problem in the beginning with Bull and Ox for me. I wanted to trade with them, and I couldn't. And then they offered Project X, and then I traded with them, and I started trading with them, and I got a lot of payouts. And now I can't trade with them anymore. It's a piece of shit, Moto. It's a piece of shit. Multi-trading copier. So I have to get at least the order flow one. I have to get this one at the very least. $50 a month. Or $600 one time. Fuck that. Fuck that. I don't know. Maybe I'm showing my Epstein. I'm being a little Epstein-ish. But listen, these accounts are enough money. I got to pay, I don't get anything cheap, but I think I have rebills that came through with $17, so 89% off. That's about the most I'll spend on an eval with Bull and Ox. And then if I pass, and when I pass, I got to pay $148. So I'm all in for like $160 on bonus accounts, and I got to spend an extra $50 a month just for the privilege of that. Fuck that. It ain't about the free trial. The free trial doesn't do shit for me. If I like it, I'm going to have to pay for it eventually. You trade Bull and Us on Quantower on a PC. I can't trade Quantower on a Mac. Affordable indicators. Can you use that on a Mac? I heard of them. Don't they have? Aren't they the ones that make Replicanto? Can't run it on a Mac. Of course not. Of course not. Fucking stupid. Trade of 8 for the win. Maybe maybe Rob will talk to fucking Bullinox about letting them use wealth charts. If wealth charts got on fucking Bullinox, I would use it. Reluctantly, but I would use it. Yeah, it's fucking annoying. At least we were able to get this to $1,500. Well, we got it to 1622, and then I lost money on purpose. Trade Copia. Again, another one I got to fucking pay for. Trade Copia. Mac. First ever Mac OS desktop trade copier. Pricing. I'm scared to look. Monthly. $40 a month. Yearly. These motherfuckers, man. Again, you don't even get analytics on the fucking basic. I don't get any reporting on the basic. Whatever, I don't need it. Dedicated VPS. I don't need any of that. Use code SMART. Get the fuck out of here. Just use the trial and change my email, what, every fucking 30 days? That sounds like a lot of work. I might have to bite the bullet on this fucking thing. I did hear good things about Trade Copia. I might have to just bite the bullet on this. Oh, I get to hide my accounts. Oh, I get to be like all the other streamers. Look, I can hide my accounts. Just like all the other streamers. Oh, this is Brian Stonks? This is theirs? I'm not using this shit. I'm good. No thanks. Yeah, I'm good. Who owns it? If they own it, I don't want it. I'm just being honest. Just be honest with me. Do they own it? I want nothing to do with those guys. Yes or no? That fucking jerk off Lanto blocked me anyway. Because I asked him I asked him what happened to his accounts. I wasn't sure if Lucid went to 10 accounts, and he blocked me. Jay Jackson. They get a cut no matter what. Do they get a cut if I fucking buy it from anybody? If I were to use Maximus's code, would they get a cut? Pine Tree, yeah, fuck that. I'm good. They're just affiliates. Okay. I thought they had something to do with it, like they were fucking vested in the company. Okay, then I'm fine. Then I'm fine using it. They just recommend it. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. All right, thank you for confirming. What's the best pizza in town? Are you out here? Moto Timo. Are you out here in Vegas right now, for real? Good Pie. Good Pie in the Arts District. Upside Down Grandma. Fucking can't miss. Or Joey's on Eastern Avenue on your way to Anthem. What do you want, bro? What do you want? This guy fucking kept me up all night. Every 5 minutes, he was getting up and changing positions or getting down and getting back on the bed. What's up? You can't even hear me. He just like woke up or something. What do you want? Yeah, Jay Jackson. If it was theirs, I wouldn't want anything to do with it. Fuck that. Nothing personal. Vincenzo. The elevated life, the upside down granny. Have you ever seen the upside? You want to see an upside down granny? You want to see an upside down granny? Watch this. Where is she? Oh, man. All right. I might have, you know what? I might have to try Copia. Still, $39 a month is like, I'm still annoyed about that. I'm still annoyed. By the way, this is the best fucking community on these platform streets. This shit pops off all day, all night. It just doesn't stop. I'm going to check out this trading things also with JP. That JP fucking sent me. I want to try that out. It's going to be either that or trade Copia. I want to trade with Bullinox. I hate the fact that I got to spend fucking money. But maybe enough people will use the best fucking code and it'll basically be free. I'm going to get my code, instead of it being smart, I'm going to make my code stupid. Oh, yeah, they'll give me a code. John Q. By the way, here's the link to the best fucking community on these platform streets. Hold on. I got to get the link, yo. I got to get the link. Look at his fucking jerk off. But hey, give me your money. But hey, let's retroactively change the rules and fuck everybody out of their payouts and breach accounts. Make it a short code? What about dumb? D-U-M-B. Yo, Bowser, I didn't even see you. I didn't even see your chat, bro. It's fucking hilarious. Yo, he's gonna come out with a new funding ticks, and half of you are gonna fucking buy accounts there anyway. Watch. Jamal. Rebby. I'm gonna make it Doy. D-O-Y. A Doy. All right. Well, Welp. Jay Jackson. Whoo. Maybe I'll make it Welp. His short. I'm gonna make it Poop. P-O-O-P. Rebby. Fib. Fuck. Oh, but yeah, join the Discord. Hang out with us. It's the best fucking community. And it's free for now. And use my code 0DayJ for Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, Bull and Ox, and even My Fund the Futures, even though there's a good chance I might not get credit for the sale. I think they're doing 20% off those new Flex accounts or $20 off. Coach Fred. Doink. Doink. Captain Price. All right, guys, I got to bounce. I got to make my update videos. And I think my son's going to be home from work soon. We're going to go to the gym. I'm going to stream tonight. I'm going to stream later. Why Fund the Futures account is good now? Depends on what you want. The cores, those are still okay. Maybe the rapids if you into like the whole daily payout. But I still think Trade Day and fucking Take Profit Traders are better. Wrist Day, Forearm Day, Tickle. All right, guys. Yeah, Carbonite. I got to bounce. Yash. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for hanging out. I will be on later on tonight. I just don't know when, but I'll be on later for sure. All right? I'll see you later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.